Hi there, and welcome to HOMAG Newsflash. I'm Yasmin Blair, and today we are preparing for LIGNA, the world's leading trade fair for woodworking machinery and equipment. The time has come. LIGNA will take place in Hanover from the 27th to the 31st of May. Once again, HOMAG will fill the entire Hall 14 with machines, software, and technical innovations for woodworking. Everything live in action. On over 5,000 square meters of stand space, both small craft businesses and large industrial enterprises will feel right at home. Visitors will find a wide range of exhibited machines, cells, systems, and software for woodworking. HOMAG experts from sales, technology, and service will also be there to discuss every topic and are looking forward to talking to you. Step by step, with single parts to the overall concept. At LIGNA, HOMAG will be presenting 3 concepts specifically for woodworking shops and medium-sized businesses. The workshop concept, Digital Entry, answers the question, how do I start digitizing in my company? The networked digital workshop is taking another step further. In this scenario, each machine is operated by one employee, and some of the order data is available in digital form. HOMAG will be demonstrating a fully autonomous, automated, and variably adaptable production concept for batch size 1 production for woodworking companies in the SME sector. Here, the processing cells are networked by automated guided vehicles, the so-called TRANSBOTs. HOMAG first presented the TRANSBOTs last year, and now the automated guided vehicles have begun operation in the furniture production sector.
The automated guided vehicles, also known as TRANSBOTs at the HOMAG Group, break through the system of permanently linked systems and also do without rails or ground markings. This makes the use of TRANSBOTs for logistics tasks very flexible. In the event of changes in the production process or the implementation of new machines, the routes of the TRANSBOTs can be adapted without great effort. The basic principle is production with different flexible production cells, which can be manual or fully automated. These cells are highly flexibly connected by the TRANSBOTs. At deinschrank.de, the mass production of furniture is linked with the individual wishes of their customers. Via the internet platform, the online provider's customers design and configure their personalized piece of furniture. The data records generated in the process are adapted to the production requirements during work preparation. Production orders that have been created, and in which all the required data for the components is defined, are then distributed to the production machines. And deinschrank.de also breaks new ground in production with the TRANSBOTs. We opted for automated guided vehicle systems because this ideally supports our philosophy of production. We want to continue to think in cells, think in units, but still work automatically. We don't want a rigid linkage, we want to achieve automation through flexible transport robots, these so-called automated guided vehicles. And this is actually the main reason why we have relied on this system to continue to be flexible, but also to push this automation forward.
Das ist eigentlich für uns der Hauptgrund, warum wir auf dieses System gesetzt haben, weiterhin flexibel zu sein, aber auch diese Automatisierung voranzutreiben.
TRANSBOT, the automated guided vehicles from HOMAG, a departure into a new production philosophy.
HOMAG is exhibiting new technologies and features in all areas of surface processing, opening up new ways for users to produce high-quality furniture ergonomically, smartly, and efficiently. Only 2 years after its market launch, for example, HOMAG is presenting an optimized spray coating machine. Reduced manufacturing costs, less cleaning, and improved working conditions, that is the SprayTech S100. And now to a highlight from the Weinmann company.
The bottleneck in an automated element production process has so far been the insertion of the insulation. With the Weinmann multifunction bridge WALLTEQ M-380 insuFill, this is now a thing of the past. The integrated blow-in plate is positioned exactly above the compartment, and the insulation material is inserted fully automatically. A controlled blow-in process ensures that the compaction of the quickly and evenly applied insulating material complies with the manufacturer's specifications.
Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not just standing here playing around with my phone. What I'm actually doing is taking a look at the new toolManager from HOMAG. Now, with this toolManager, it will be possible in the future to manage all of a company's tools easily and to load the necessary information directly onto the respective machine. Today, HOMAG is already starting off with saw blades, and this is how it's done. Different manufacturers have stored the various different data of their saw blades. For example, the tool type, the geometry, like diameter and blade thickness, or also the recommended speeds and material restrictions. Now, all I have to do is scan the barcode on the tool, like this. There we go, and the stored information is called up immediately, and I can easily transfer it directly to the saw. The result? No more lengthy data searches and therefore significantly fewer errors. HOMAG will be, of course, presenting these and many other digital assistants and software solutions at LIGNA. But you know what? Why don't we take a minute to ask Holger Hölzing from the Tischler team from Düsseldorf what he wants to see at LIGNA. Mr. Hölzing, nice to see you. Now, why don't you let us know what you're looking forward to most when it comes to this year's LIGNA and especially the HOMAG booth?
The interesting thing about the LIGNA is how close it is to Düsseldorf and how quickly you can get there to look at the wide variety of products. You can see the developments in CNC technology and all of the HOMAG Group products, where the journey is taking them and what customers can soon be offered. Also interesting are the other smaller stands all around the main areas. New products, new machines, and discussions with like-minded people about experiences and various questions. That's always really interesting.
Thank you so much for your time, and we also look forward to seeing you, of course. The new CNC series CENTETEC P210 will be shown for the very first time at this year's LIGNA. Now, what will be the highlights, LIGNA?
The highlights of this machine are the new 5-axis head with an aggregate interface that enables us to use aggregates. Furthermore, we have a speed package that allows the machine to move up to 70 meters on the x-axis, which provides benefits for the customers in processing times. In addition, the machine is equipped with the so-called dual-circuit vacuum system, which is a consistent system from the 200 to the 300 and the 500 series. The customer can also use their existing clamping devices on this machine. Also good is the new access to the machine, from 3 sides, making it easy to use. We have also developed the software further. On this machine, we are using the new PC87 system. These are the highlights of the machine.
The new EdgeTech S500 edge banding machine offers high flexibility and precision. And what's especially great, our trade fair stand for LIGNA is currently being manufactured on just this machine. But you know what? Why don't we ask directly at the Schreinerei Rotfuß how far our booth is? So Sven, tell us, how is production going?
Great, with our new machine. Really easy.
So we don't have to worry, our booth will be ready on time.
There's no need to worry, everything's on pallets. Much is already on the lorry. It's all good.
All right, Sven, looking good. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you at LIGNA. And of course, we also look forward to seeing all of you. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you at LIGNA, where HOMAG will be showing many more highlights, and there will also be a little surprise. So until LIGNA, take care and bye.